Bring the Hyper 9E out to run, but it is raining. It's the ESC. I ain't touched nothing. It's straight stock still. Got GRPs on here. So let's see what it's doing. Hopefully that rain just flying by, y'all. Running good. I know it's gonna be slipping with the GRPs on there. Pretty good. GRP on at least. I did bring 6S as well. We're gonna try that out. Just wanted to get this out and run it. See how the GRPs hold up. Might get a speed run in with it this weekend, see what it do. GRP's holding up. This is S3 compound. One more test it. I know she'll do better on phone. She's spinning awfully a lot. Uh-oh, pin came loose. Alright, y'all, we can't even run it on 6S. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw the pin back on. I'm gonna take it back home and bring it back out. Alright, YouTube, we're gonna get some onboard footage. I put the GoPro Hero 7 up there. Let's hope we can get some speed, mile per hour. Usually the GPS be tripping, but we'll see. Nice and smooth despite all these bumps. Nice with the GRPs though. One more pass in and take that camera off. Better than GRPs though, definitely. Definitely nice and warm, baby, nice and warm. flybys. I know we was getting some already, but I'm gonna do some test pulls too, see what she do. Let's see what she do on the GRPs, on the takeoff. I know she's gonna be all over the place. Had this battery charged for a few days, so I wanted to drain it. Figured what a better way. Definitely eating though. I ain't bring no GPS, I just wanted to run it, man. That's it. It is a sensing motor. Got the whole sensor system in there. I'm definitely gonna order some more GRPs. It's just, in the wintertime, it sucks. I'm not getting no grip. I don't care if it was S1s, slicks, whatever. It don't hold for me. Right now it was decent. The temperature's been decent, so it hold on. Going more spinning than winning though. We got a testing tool coming up probably in the next weekend. Hopefully we get a few good fellas out, get some good testing in. Definitely gonna bring the Hobao. Try to leave it on some GRPs and get some S1s. I don't know why the car swam like that. Damn sure ain't got no AVC in it. See that? No AVC, y'all. None of that. Just in case y'all think. I don't know why it's wobbling. It is a on my servo. You know, it has 4 holes on it to hold it to your servo mount. Mine is broke, so I do got like spaces and stuff holding this because it's a very expensive servo and it works very well. So I'm guessing that's what be throwing off. Like when the servo hit hard or something, it moves and sends it off center. So alright, y'all, we're gonna get one more flyby. We're gonna call it a day. Y'all, we're gonna call it a day. Had a good time running this thing. We're on 6S. Was on 4 earlier, and then my motor came loose, so I went ahead and fixed that. She's running now. Let me burn the tires out one time to get a good hit on her. Let's see what she do. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna call it a day. So it was running good. 6S power, liking the GRPs. I'm gonna go with a sulfur compound until it warm up, and then we'll go from there. I had these S3s for like 2 years, never used them really, just went with foams. Been loving the foams, but I don't know, I think with the foams I might be getting too much bite on this because it, oh, see that? So imagine with foam, it stay on the back wheel. But anyway, y'all stay tuned, man. There's gonna be more to come from this. Thanks for tuning in.